Yeah, obviously. So from here, you go down to go up. Easy? Easy? So from here we go 5, 6. Hey guys, my name is Gaurav Singh and I hope you like my choreography. And if you want to learn that choreography step by step and in in-depth detail, then you should subscribe to theidols.com as soon as possible. Register and subscribe. You'll get to learn from the best people, best dancers of the country, and you'll get to learn my choreography as well. And I would love to see you dancing to my choreography. So tag me, tag theidols.com on Instagram, Facebook, and everywhere else. So I'm waiting for your videos. Keep dancing, and thank you so much.